Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a file picker in Flutter. First, you'll need to add the file picker package to your PubSpec. YAML file. This essential step allows your application to access native file selection dialogs. Once added, run flutterpub to ensure all dependencies are correctly installed. This package simplifies the complex process of interacting with device file systems, making it straightforward to implement. After adding the package, configure platform-specific permissions. For Android, you might need to add read external storage to your Android manifest. XML. iOS typically handles permissions automatically, but always check the documentation for any specific requirements. These permissions are crucial for your app to legally access files on a user's device. Without them, the file picker will not function correctly, leading to errors. Now let's implement the file selection logic. Create a button that, when pressed, calls File Picker, Platform, Pick Files. You can specify allowed file types using the type and allowed extensions parameters, for example, to pick only images or PDFs. This method returns a file picker result object, which contains information about the selected files. Remember to handle potential null results if the user cancels the selection. Once you have the file picker result, you can access the selected file's details, such as its name, path, and size. Display this information in your app's user interface to confirm the selection to the user. Remember to handle any errors gracefully, perhaps by showing a snack bar if file picking fails. This completes the basic implementation of a file picker in your Flutter application. For more great tips and other deals, including those fantastic leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, check the description below. We appreciate you watching.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.